Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Let's Learn English with Latika. आज हम लर्न करेंगे कुछ phrases. So let's get started. Leave someone in the lurch. किसी को मुसीबत में छोड़ना. Don't leave your friend in the lurch. अपने दोस्त को मुसीबत में मत छोड़ो. Overnight, रात में. Where did you stay overnight? तुम रात भर कहाँ थे? Cold shoulder, जानबूझकर ध्यान ना देना. I tried to talk to him, but he gave me the cold shoulder. Miss the boat, मौका गवा देना. You will miss the boat if you don't accept this job offer. यदि तुम इस नौकरी के प्रस्ताव को स्वीकार नहीं करते तो मौका गवा दोगे. Talk back, जबान चलाना. You should not talk back to your parents. तुम्हें अपने माता पिता से जबान नहीं चलानी चाहिए. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.